Introduction: delicious desserts on keto.
If you're following a keto lifestyle, you might think desserts are off the menu, but with the right ingredients, you can satisfy your sweet tooth guilt-free. Here are 3 quick and easy keto-friendly dessert recipes, each with simple steps and low-carb ingredients. Indulge your cravings without breaking your goals.
Recipe 1: creamy keto chocolate mousse.
For a rich, satisfying treat, try this chocolate mousse. Whip together heavy cream, unsweetened cocoa powder, and your favorite keto-friendly sweetener until fluffy. A dash of vanilla extract adds extra flavor. Chill before serving and optionally top with a few sugar-free chocolate shavings. It's creamy, decadent, and perfect for an after-dinner dessert.
Recipe 2: peanut butter fat bombs.
These no-bake bites deliver a quick energy boost and taste amazing. Mix natural peanut butter, coconut oil, and a keto-approved sweetener. Form the mixture into small balls and chill until firm. Each bite is packed with healthy fats and flavor, ideal for curbing sweet cravings while staying in ketosis.
Recipe 3: berry cheesecake cups.
Enjoy the classic flavors of cheesecake in a keto-friendly way. Blend cream cheese, a touch of lemon juice, and your chosen sweetener. Spoon into small cups and top with a few fresh raspberries or blueberries. These mini desserts are creamy, tangy, and take just minutes to prepare.
Tips for satisfying keto cravings.
Always choose sugar substitutes like erythritol or stevia to stay within your carb limit. Use almond or coconut flour if a recipe calls for a base. And remember, portion control helps you manage macros easily. With these desserts, you can enjoy rich flavors and still reach your keto goals.